Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to remove Gmail account access for website and apps. So head over to your Gmail. Make sure you are logged in into your desired account and head over to your account by tapping the profile on the top right and tap on manage your Google account. And in here, go to data and privacy. Scroll down until you find the option of apps and services. Head over there. Now, if you want to delete or remove something from a Gmail account that have access with it, go to delete a service. And in here, you can delete a Google service from here. So just head over to delete a service. And once you are done with it, they will land you in a page in where you can just manage access from your Google account. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.